Jai Hind students, now let us know how to do the same procedure, how to upload the document which you have scanned as an assignment in your Google Classroom. For that you can use your Google Classroom from the Android also by downloading or installing it from the Play Store. So we will search Google Classroom and we will be downloading it, we will be installing it, and then we will be opening the Google Classroom from our Android itself. Okay, once you did so, then you will be opening the Google Classroom. It's taking a bit time to be uploaded, to be installed. Yeah. And then you will open the Google Classroom. Once you open it, you will be asked to get started. You will click on get started, and remember, use the same email ID, that official one, to join. Don't use any other email ID. You will click on the same official email ID and then you will be clicking on OK. Okay. Once you do so, then we will be able to find out our classroom which our teacher has invited to us. This is it. This is the classroom of 8th Science as an example. Now, you have to click on that and we will check that whether there is any assignment appointed to us. If there is any assignment assigned to us, then you have to see and check it with the help of the classroom itself by going to the section of classwork. You can find it in the stream as well as in the classwork. So when you click on this classwork, you will see here this type of interface is seen in front of you. Now I just showed you in the laptop how to add it. So you can see here it is written your work is submitted, right? So now you have already submitted it. Why is it showing so? Because I have already told you how to do it in laptop, right? So to do this, what you can do is you can unsubmit it. First of all, you have to unsubmit it, and then you can, again I will show you how to add the work from your PC, from your Android itself. Okay, so now I will be just seeing it. I will be just clicking on the unsubmit button to unsubmit the work, and then again I will add the PDF file. So you can see, you can click on unsubmit. The work is unsubmitted. Now you will again click on this classwork assignment, and then you will click on your work. You can see there is a PDF attached here, but you have to remove it, because if you have by mistakenly added this different file which you should not, then you can click on the remove button, right? Now you can see your work is shown here. You have to add the work. To add the work, you can click on that button of add work, and by clicking on that add work, you have several options here: drive, upload, camera, link, create any Google Docs. If you want to add anything, you can add into it according to the choice given by your teacher. So for example, I will click on upload now, and I will add the file from my computer, from my Android. Okay, this is my Android, and I will pick my file which I have scanned, my work, my homework, my assignment, and then I will upload this one. You can see my work is uploaded. It is a JPG format, but usually you are always asked to submit the PDF, not the JPG format. Now if it's your drawing classroom, that's the other thing. Now after you have done, you have to click on hand in. Okay, once you click on the hand in button, your work will be handed in to the teacher. Now you can see at the bottom of the screen, handed in is written. That means your work has been submitted. That's it. One more thing I wanted to add, that is how to see that whether the classroom which we have joined, it's okay or not. Like sometimes it may happen that you might be choosing an account which is not your official account, that you can switch. How to switch that one? You can see above there is an option, okay, that N is written there. In that section you can switch your account. So if you open the Google Classroom from any other account, then you might not be getting a Google Classroom. You have to choose the same official account, then only you will be finding your Google Classroom. Okay, so by selecting your official email ID, again you can find it out that you can see your classroom. Okay, now you can see the classroom is visible to you all. So that's it. So I hope you all have understood. Have a good day.